Hi guys, I'm Sumbul and welcome to my channel. So today this is going to be a short first impressions video about the new highlighting palette from Lancome. I'm not sure if it's a new release, but it's certainly new for me, so that's why I'm calling it a new palette. So this is the Lancome Glow For It palette and this is how it looks like. So this is the outer packaging, very shiny, very reflective, just like a mirror. And then this is the very slim and sleek palette inside. So as I mentioned, it's called Glow For It. And this is how gorgeous it looks from inside. So there's no mirror in this palette, which is a shame, but I'm guessing that's what's keeping the weight to a minimum. And no mirror might be a good thing also if you're looking for travel friendly lightweight makeup. So this is quite lightweight, and these are the three amazing beautiful looking highlighters, and I just love the swatches when I tried them in store, so that's why I bought them. I have tried the swatches. It looked lovely on my hands as it's the first impressions. I haven't tried it on my face, which I will be in a couple of minutes right in front of you guys. I'm not wearing any highlighter for a change, so it will be really easy to see if it works on the face or not. So time to swatch it. So there are no names of the shades written on this palette, so I will be calling it the pink, golden and the brownish highlighter. So the pink one is very smooth in texture. It's almost like a cream. It's that smooth and it has the most amazing color, very pinkish gold toned and just a very flattering highlighter in my opinion. And then this yellow is quite similar in texture to the pink one, very smooth and buttery, and as you can see it looks so beautiful in the swatch. Very yellow toned highlighter. So you've got a pink toned and then this is the yellow toned, and now let's move on to the brownish one. So this brownish one is the one that has least impressed me. It has quite noticeable glitter particles in it, and the texture also is a little bit patchy. It's not very smooth, and from the swatch it appears it will be very glittery on my face. So probably I will reserve it for my eyes or my lips, or maybe it will work on the face. Let's see. So now time to try it on my cheeks. So this palette is in the shade number 03. It's called Golden Gleam. So first let's try it with the brush, and I'm going to be using the brush I always use with highlighters. If you have been watching my previous videos, this is a brush from Delilah. Again, I don't have any number for it. It came in with the highlighter kit if you have watched that video. So let's start. And which highlighter should I choose? So I'll start with the rose gold one because I think it has attracted me the most. So taking a little on my brush, and let's see what it does for my face. So because it's very pink toned, I think it will look even more flattering as a blush topper. Even with the brush, it's such an amazing highlight. It's going on so smoothly. Oh my god, it's just looking breathtakingly lovely. I'm so loving its texture, and even with a little amount of product, it gave the most flattering highlight in my opinion. And I'm now adding and building it up, and it's getting even more flattering and more intenser. The texture is amazing. It's so smooth. It doesn't have any particles or anything that will stick out. It has a very uniform texture. It's gorgeous. So now let's try to intensify it even more with fingertips at the very high points. Beautiful. The highlight, the texture, the color, everything is very flattering. Now I'm going to top it up with this yellow to further intensify the very high point of my cheekbones. So I use this pink toned as a base, and I'm going to just pick a little of this up and then just dab it on the very high points to further intensify it. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow, this was money very well spent. The texture, the look it gives, it's just so flattering. I'm loving this palette. I think this is going to be a staple in my bag now. Okay, now let's even out the other side also. To be honest, I think it gives extremely good intensity even with a brush. So you don't need fingertips to intensify the effect. The brush is doing the job amazingly. And now let's again use the yellow on the very high points to intensify this effect. Oh wow. Isn't it just amazing? So now I'm going to blend it with the brush just to smooth out the edges. Just look how intense this is. So the effect was very buildable. So you can just take a very tiny amount of product to make it really subtle, and then you can build it up like this to make it very in your face. So you know what, I'm not going to risk this beautiful effect it has given me by trying out the very glittery one. I'll try this one in my own time. In case you're curious, you can comment below and I will get back to you how this went on my face. But so far I'm loving the look so much that I don't want to spoil it with this very glittery one. So these two have so far passed beautifully. I have loved the effect they have given me. The tiniest amount was needed for a very smooth and subtle highlight, and then when you add up, it's so beautifully buildable that you can intensify it very smoothly, and it gives an amazing, intense, beautiful result, as you can see. So as I said, I'm happy with this kit so far, because even if this doesn't turn out to be a very good product, at least these two are amazingly beautiful in texture, in quality, and in the look it has given. So this is a successful purchase in my opinion, because more than half of the palette is a success. So this was all for this first impressions video of this Lancome highlighting palette. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel for new beauty videos every Wednesday. Until next time, stay beautiful.